Hi guys, it's me Rohan and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a paper plane that flies like a bird or a bat. So here's how it looks. Now let's see how to make it. I hope you understood how we made it. Now let's try flying it outside. So to fly this, don't put a lot of pressure on your hand. Don't do it so freely. Do it normally mid. Just like you should hold it out here. The best way I think is like take your index finger, keep here, and your other two fingers will be like this, and then push it towards the ground. You go properly. But the best way to try is normal. Little pressure, straight. Just like that. Throw it down to the carpet. This normal. See? There you go. Perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. Bye bye. Stay tuned. See you in my next video.